Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So if you remember the jade cutting that we had done, wherein we had separated from the mother stem, we had cut off the mother stem completely, just leaving only the stem, and now you can see there is some new growth on the stem area. There's 2 leaves that are growing on that side, and there are some few leaves growing on this side. Now this one was slightly was not completely placed in soil, that's why you can see it's little wrinkled. It's not completely stable because of the wind. The stem had completely come out of the soil, so that's why it is little flimsy, and there are some wrinkles on the leaves. But you can see the others are doing extremely well. They have completely got stable into the soil. They have anchored their roots into the soil, and you can see they're doing quite well. A new growth as well. Now again, I'll have to compare it because I'm not very sure. I don't remember how they looked, so I'm going to put the image or the video clip on your right hand side, how it looked when I was doing a cutting. And on the left hand side, this is how they look at the present moment. I have to just be a little bit more careful about this. I think I'll have to put the roots a little bit more deeper because you can see it's not completely stable yet, but it's not in a very bad condition. It's just wrinkled. There is a little bit of new growth. It's little unstable in the soil, so I have to dig it a little bit more deeper. Probably I'll do it right away. So I'm just going to dig the soil a little bit more below and push the stem, because you can see the roots are still present, but it's not completely grown any new roots. The original roots are still present, and I have to do is just push it into the soil and fill it up. It was slightly pulled out because of the wind. It was very windy some time back, so it was kind of pulled out, but now it is completely inside the soil, so I hope it will anchor very soon. But the others are looking extremely well, and even the stem that was completely cut off has also put out new growth, which looks absolutely beautiful. You can see the cuts have all turned brown, which means that they have completely calloused. This is how when the cut is healed, this is how it tends to look like. You can see it's completely healed, and then it has put out new growth. So this was a quick update on the jade cuttings that we had done. They are looking quite good. It will take some time for them to reach to a good size. It will take a really long time. Probably during winters they are going to have a little bit more of the growth. Right now they are going to have a very minimum growth, which is absolutely fine. Any which ways, the temperatures have dropped. It's quite cool right now, so probably they might start growing a little bit faster. But as of now, the cuttings are looking fresh. The cuttings are looking good, except that one, but others are doing quite well. So I'm hoping everything goes well. So guys, I hope that you liked this update video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.